We'll guide you through how to use GitHub as a student to maximize your learning and collaboration on coding projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the GitHub website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll want to take advantage of the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Head over to education.github.com and apply for the Student Pack, which gives you free access to various developer tools and resources. You'll need a valid school email or proof of enrollment to get approved. After your application is accepted, go back to GitHub and start exploring repositories. You can create a new repository by clicking the plus icon in the top right corner and selecting New Repository. Name your repository and choose whether you want it to be public or private. For students, having a mix of both can be useful for showcasing work and maintaining private projects. Now, let's talk about collaboration. You can invite classmates or collaborators to your repository by clicking on Settings, then Manage Access, and adding their GitHub usernames. You can also take part in open source projects by forking repositories and making pull requests to suggest changes or improvements. To stay organized, use GitHub's issue tracking to log bugs or tasks, and the Projects feature to create a Kanban board for your projects. This helps in managing your workflow effectively. Finally, take a look at GitHub Actions. This is a powerful tool that automates your workflow, allowing you to build, test, and deploy your code right from GitHub. As a student, you'll find this particularly helpful for learning continuous integration and delivery practices. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.